Okay, here's our revised drawing with making these arches with a larger radius, more half circle. That molding would run about 1.5 inches, 2 inches below the crown. Across the top here, shown, that blue line represents the molding, and this represents that small crown wrapped on the stiles. And that is not going to go all the way back, obviously. Same thing here. It'll just, well, this one, it'll run down the side, but on the inside of this, it's going to just terminate because, let's see here. This steps out further than here. Looking down on it, that's the face frame piece. So we have 3/4 of an inch. So the crown will just end right here, not go back inside the cabinet. Same thing with that. So you just have a piece across here right below these radiuses. Shaker door like the photo. And if you guys have some hardware, we can just install those at time of installation. The base shoe here. But here are the changes. Changing this, a description of where that molding is, the added crown, and these with a shaker door. Left side, and then the right side, and then the crown here, but it's not showing up on this side. I don't know why. But that's what we've got. Thanks.